We'll guide you through how to automate Google Sheets with Zapier. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to zapier.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in or create an account if you haven't already. After you're logged in, click on Create a Zap in the top right corner. This is where the magic happens. You'll start by selecting a trigger app. In our case, let's choose Google Sheets. You'll need to connect your Google account if you haven't done so before. Once connected, select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet you want to automate. The trigger can be anything like a new row added or updated. After setting the trigger, click on Continue. Now it's time to set up the action. This is the fun part where you decide what happens next. Click on Add Action and choose the app you want to connect to Google Sheets. Let's say you want to send an email every time a new row is added. Choose your email app, like Gmail, and connect it if it's not already linked. Set up the email details, such as the recipient, subject, and body. You can even pull data from the spreadsheet into the email. Once that's configured, click Continue and test your Zap to ensure everything works smoothly. If the test is successful, click Turn on Zap. This means your automation is live and will run automatically. And that's it. You've successfully automated a task in Google Sheets using Zapier. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.